Okay guys, this is Chandler. I'm doing a how-to video. Well, as quickly as I can. And obviously I can't do it like if I was in a classroom, but just want to give you an idea of what I'm doing here. I'm doing some velvet weave here that the pile needs to be set. Pile's in pretty bad shape. I don't know what the fabric is, so I'm cleaning with a neutral cleaner. When you don't know what the fabric is, you clean as a natural. So the strongest I use on the natural is a neutral cleaner because these are heavily stained up and soiled. The method that I'm going to be using to clean it, this is some spilt milk, so it's high in protein there. In that first chair I showed spilled milk as well. It's going to be two different methods. One is going to be an extraction method. It's going to be I'm going to shampoo it and then extract it, and then the backs I'm going to simply shampoo those with the neutral cleaner. And I may dry extract it, but I'm not sure. I've already vacuumed them. So you want to vacuum first. You always want to get the dry soil out. That's my portable vacuum. Sometimes I'll do it with my truck mount. But on these, because you will leave lines in the pile by using that strong suction from the truck mount. So I'm going to use the truck mount only once, and that's when I wet them and then set the pile. Okay. So these are some of my accessories that I have, anything that I may need, and that's my sapphire tool that I will be using for the extraction. These are the brushes. Well, this is a horsehair brush that I will put the shampoo on the fabric. And I already told her that this fabric here, I'm not sure what it is. It's not silk. You know, it could, I don't know, it could be viscose, but it's a tough fabric to clean. If you ever clean this type of fabric, a smooth fabric, kind of, I'm not gonna just guess what it is, but I don't know what it is. But that weave there can be very difficult. It's very thin. When you get a lot of stains, it's very difficult to get out without using some type of oxidizer. And I do have 3%. I keep 3% in my bag. As you can see here, my 3% sprayer there. So I do keep 3% if I feel like I want to leave that on there. But anyways, what's going to get the job done, I believe, is my neutral shampoo here. I do have a protein spotter. I'm hoping I'm not going to use that because it's a very high pH, which I think it's not going to do anything to this fabric, but I have that just in case I need it to help with the milk. And then this is 100% straight acid. So it's a 2.5. It's all fiber rinse from not ProChem, but Chem. Not ProChem. This is from ProChem. I'm sorry, but this is from ChemSpec. Okay. I love that stuff. It's very effective. This is my distilled water which I will be spraying that on the fabric. And these are the brushes we're going to use to set the pile. Okay. I got 3. All of them not going to work, but one is going to work the best, and that's the one I will go with. All right. That's my extension pole for the vacuum. So I've been asked to do a how-to video, and this is just not to separate taking a class. This is not to replace taking a class. So it's not to replace taking a class. You need to take a course, because if I was teaching a course, I can go over much more detail. But here I am on a job, so I can't take that much time as I would in a course. So, and these are fans here that I'm going to use, turn these on as I clean each one so that we have airflow on them. And I am in the garage. I decided to do this in the garage. It was real comfortable. It's right next door. On the other end, on the other side of that door is the dining room. So, and it's comfortable out here. Well, a little humid here in Atlanta, but comfortable enough for me to clean out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll show you the step-by-step, or at least some stages of it. All right? Thanks. Right. This is the distilled water. And you just mist it on evenly. And I even like to take a brush and just make sure I work it in and spread it out. On this type of fabric, you can't, unless you really soak it down. I don't need to soak it down to get it even. Both of these have been sprayed already. That's to fill in the gaps there so we won't add to any of the water stains. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. Okay, now I'm gonna spray the shampoo and I'm gonna work it in with my horsehair brush to get a nice even spray on the fabric. And then after I work it in with my horsehair brush, I'm going to wipe it down with a microfiber towel to get any excess soil off the surface of the fiber. This is the chair that I'm going to set the pile. I'm going to clean it and set the pile. So there was milk spilled on this chair and the fiber is distorted. So this is an example of me correcting it, getting it clean, and setting the pile. Well, I got all 6 chairs done. They look great, as you can see in the video. The fabric on the backing of the chairs, I had to go back and solvent clean because the water base didn't get all the stains out. So I solvent cleaned it to try to alleviate some of that. But overall, it looks great, and the client was very happy.